Get all your clips ready and import them into your timeline. Go to the Paint option and select white as your color. Don't change any settings, just leave them as they are. Click on your video layer, just like you would when using RotoBrush, so that it opens in the layer panel. Then take the brush tool and start drawing over your subject. After drawing on one frame, move forward one frame and continue drawing the next set of lines. Keep repeating this process frame by frame until your animation is complete. Don't apply the S-Blur Mo Curves effect yet. I made that mistake before, but we'll add it at the very end for the best results. Next, create an adjustment layer and apply your shake effect to it. Now go ahead and edit your intro however you like. If you had already added a Blur Mo Curves zoom earlier, copy the keyframes, delete the effect from the current layer, pre-compose the layer, and then paste the keyframes onto the pre-comp. Finally, add your color correction to finish everything off with a polished look.